friends, welcome to my channel. I did not go to the pond park. Did my church visit and I came down here. You won't believe मेरे कम्युनिटी के मिले थे मुझे कल when I was going to the bank yesterday. And he told me, senior citizen, very old, maybe in his early 70s. वो मुझे बोल रहे, what happened to you? मतलब वो कोंकणी में बातें करके बोल रहे थे, तो कहा किधर चला, यू लॉस्ट सो मच वेट, आर यू ओके, आर यू फाइन, आर यू सिक. कंडा बटे वेट लॉस झाला मीन्स ड्रास्टिक. इट्स नॉट सो. आई वॉज 55 kgs even when I was living with my mom, 55-56 kgs. But I don't know, maybe people are seeing me after a long time or something of that sort. तो शायद से भाई this has become so lean. पहले क्या होता था, I used to have a lot of carbs, like so the carbs are cut down, you will get a very lean look. So people think that I've lost lot of weight. अगर मैं ऐसे ही चलती रहूँगी तो I'll lose lot of weight, right? See the auntie sitting there and my face is looking very fresh. Oh, yesterday I used that I'll reveal क्या क्या लेके आई हूँ मैं. Plum का night gel, because I got at how much? Almost 40%, 60% discount. That's how I picked it up. I said I need the jar so that if I put my aloe vera gel and all whatever I have, लेप लूप अगर मैं कुछ बोलूँ बनाऊँगी तो I can't put them in the steel and keep them in the fridge. So basically I was looking out for a cosmetic jar, which I got. Early morning I have pineapple. Let's go to the track. You get lean when you cut down on carbs. Roti, rice, whatever, the normal, you get this. So when you do, see, because I've cut down rice completely, और वो मैं कभी कभी खाती हूँ बिरयानी या पुलाव once a week या हफ्ते में 2 बार. जैसे कल मैंने दाल चावल खाया, मैंने पुलिस कैंटीन दाल चावल खाया मैंने and भरलेली पाएंगी. इट वॉज लाइक सम महाराष्ट्रन लेडी हैड कुक्ड एंड मुझे वही पर्टिकुलरली खाना था, द भरलेली वाइंगी. See, don't think these creams will make any difference, but this was like water based cream, very light. So I said, see, my skin becomes itchy whenever I use any cream, and this had mild fragrance. मैंने बोला let me try. I think one of their best seller products. Since I got it with such a huge discount, I said jar, I need the jar, cosmetic jar. 50 grams, and 50 grams might last for more than a month depending how you are applying it. That too, to get better results, you have to cleanse, tone. वो बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें बोलते हैं नो. इफ़ यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग एंड इफ़ यू हैव एन एक्टिव लाइफ स्टाइल, वैसे ही तुम्हारे पोज में से वो डॉट निकलता जाएगा थ्रू पर्सपिरेशन. And you know what, I have some slight things now. I just want to even out my skin. I stayed away from creams, but this is like a gel. I said chalo, let me try the gel. लाइफ में कुछ कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने चाहिए ना. और दिन के टाइम पे तो ही सेट मैंने बोला सनस्क्रीन तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. वो 18 1 avla, eating citrus food, इज़ वेरी गुड. Imagine मैंने पूरा pineapple खाया and yet I'm so thirsty that I could drink 2 liters of water. It is that hot over now. It is around 30 degrees. It's early morning. It's only 7:40. How to deal with your enemies or toxic people? Be low profile. What I mean to say low profile का मतलब ये नहीं कि spineless swim बन जाओ. Let the enemy को सारे cards table पे रखने दो. You don't have to be this. See, when I was sitting down in meditation in the morning, मतलब I just quiet my mind और मुझे इतने सारे downloads मिल गए. Suddenly there were 2-3 downloads which were coming to me and then I realized that इतने सालों का जो है बैड पब्लिसिटी, गैस लाइटिंग, ये मेरे लिए टू ओवरकम दिस मुझे मर के पुनर्जन्म लेना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज जिस तरह से षड्यंत्र, मैनिपुलेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें हुई थी, देयर इज़ नो ब्रेक थ्रू फॉर मी, बट गॉड इज़ ग्रेट. ओके, आई स्टार्टेड investing in myself, in the sense I started taking and doing things which I've never done before, like taking risks in my life. I'm not saying unhealthy risk, alcohol, ये वो, drugs, partying, ये सब नहीं. जैसे I became an introvert, so I started doing things all over again जैसे मैं पहले होती थी. But when I was before, I was a different person, so now I'm doing it far more differently. Gosh, I could make this. I hope you understand how it is. I changed my diet. I changed my set. I didn't changed how I was communicating with people. I'm just myself, but at the same time, it is in a different manner now. पहले वो क्या होता था, I me myself. अभी ऐसा नहीं है. I'm like, take the lead. Whoever wants to take the lead. And I somehow land up at the right time. When I see people doing I me myself, then all the time you'll be obsessed. I me myself. So you need to just take a back seat. Being low profile. I really wish I could come here years before and did this. Starting a day with God and prayer. No matter what you do in life, your whole day should be offered to God. If you are atheists, if you all don't believe in God, so be it. I don't know which gods you are praying to, none of my business. प्रेयर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम लोग पूरा अपना थाली वाली लेके या कुछ अपने रटाए प्रेयर्स लेकर पैरट की तरह करो. गॉड डजंट नीड दैट. तुम्हारे रटे हुए प्रेयर्स, चैंटिंग, मंत्रा से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. अगर तुम्हारे कर्मा ठीक नहीं है, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क आउट. Karma has to be good. Walking bare feet on this has done a lot of wonders. ये सीमेंट का है ना, so it really becomes, it's good for the feet. Grass walking and bare feet walking, standing in the sun like 5 minutes or so. See the sunrise. This is on a height, so you can get a better stand here. My god, I'm glowing. Nothing to do with cream and all that. Exercise and diet. The minute you have good exercise and diet, you will shine. And you should perspire. That's the body's way of releasing the toxins. You know? People who have diabetes, why they said blood pressure चलने को क्यों बोलते हैं? ताकि there's blood circulation. There's elimination of toxics from the body. Keep your life simple. Keep your life uncomplicated. Don't be all over the place. I am not. Though I'm. People must be thinking, अरे ये अपने आप को समझती क्या है? Queen Elizabeth. Sorry to say this again. I'm getting some very stupid questions who ask me, where are you from? If I don't have the patience to understand the concept and this, don't expect me to answer. Some of them are like, ma'am, don't eat so many green chilies. Green chili is a sattvic food. In the sense, if your body can take it, 4 to 5 green chilies per day, it is okay. And it's not that I'm eating every single day. I eat it particularly if I'm having my brunch or breakfast, and depending what breakfast I'm taking. Generally, if I'm sitting with a large bowl of salad plus carbohydrates वाला diet, that time काफ़ी दिनों से मैंने brunch lunch चीज़ की नहीं है. I just have my चना कुरमुरा और plain खाकरा. So that is the reason मैं थाली लेके बैठी नहीं हूँ. And कॉफ़ी भी मैं सिर्फ एक ही कप पीती हूँ. I don't know, कल मैंने पी भी नहीं. So my this has changed because सुबह सुबह I have idli from that local tapri. Idli and chutney, not sambar. And that's it. Because I come from my walk and I do that. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Give us today our daily bread. Summer season, if you're sitting and eating, if you're eating, keep it 1 or 2 meals. 1 or 2 meals, then you'll be fine. I have to do some grass walking. barefoot walking has done wonders to my feet. Now I'll take a detour and take a cross walking session. I found this. I always pick up a flower. Pair. It's like acupressure when you're walking on this concrete zameen. What I like about this place is that it's very calm and cool. Less than 10 people. I can see all ladies. Sorry. I want to show you how the it's like this. Then see, this is the entrance. So this is the. So I'll start my grass walking right now. Right now, check this out. The grass is good. So, yes. Gosh, yesterday I must have done around how many kilometers? 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers, more than that, maybe the whole thing. So maybe काफ़ी चली मैं कल, more than 8 kilometers. 10 kilometers मेरे कल हो गए. Fabulous. I can't believe इतनी स्टैमिना. मुझे लोग बोलते हैं कि स्टैमिना कहाँ, you have that. मैंने बोला it's practice. Hey, it's only practice. If I were not to practice, stamina नहीं मिलती. फिर मैंने आजकल past 10 days, 15 days से मैंने I've added this routine. तो जब से मैंने ये वाला रूटीन शुरू किया है, it's become much more better. फुर्ती इतनी आ जाएगी ना, तो हीरोइन की तरह फुटकोगे. I'm looking cool, calm. थोड़ा ब्रेक मारते हैं. ओहो, बहुत गंदा है. मैं थक गई हूँ. Time to eat some idlis. What's the time? 8 बजे. Time to say goodbye. मैं थोड़ा चलूँगी मैं. वॉकिंग इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर ओवरऑल बॉडी. जब लोग महंगे महंगे एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं ना, the product which I got was green tea gel. So I was like, चलो ट्राई करते हैं क्या है ये ग्रीन टी जेल विथ 60% ऑफ. चलो I'll move now. गंदा गंदा हो गया पैर. ओके, क्लीन हो गया. चलो लेट्स मूव. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय.